Rust is a modern systems programming language that emphasizes memory safety and performance. With its unique ownership model, Rust prevents common bugs while delivering high-speed execution. Understanding Rust is crucial for developers as it represents a significant shift in emerging technologies, enhancing software reliability. What is Rust? Rust is a systems programming language designed for safety and performance. Its core principles include ownership and borrowing, which manage memory without a garbage collector. By addressing common programming challenges, Rust helps developers create reliable and efficient software with fewer bugs. Memory safety. Rust ensures memory safety through its ownership model, preventing issues like null pointer dereferencing and data races. Unlike languages such as C or C++, which often suffer from these bugs, Rust's approach significantly reduces vulnerabilities, making memory safety essential in modern software development. Performance. Rust achieves high performance through zero-cost abstractions, allowing developers to write safe code without sacrificing speed. Benchmarks show that Rust often matches or exceeds C and C++ in execution time, highlighting its relevance in systems programming where efficiency and safety are paramount. Community and ecosystem. The Rust community is vibrant and supportive, offering extensive resources for developers, including documentation and forums. Popular libraries like Serday and frameworks such as Rocket enhance productivity. Community events, like RustCon, foster collaboration and promote the language's growth and adoption. Real-world applications. Companies like Mozilla and Dropbox utilize Rust for critical systems, showcasing its reliability. Rust's versatility spans various domains, including web development with frameworks like Actix and embedded systems. Success stories highlight its capabilities in building efficient, safe applications that meet demanding performance requirements. In summary, Rust offers significant advantages in systems programming, including memory safety and high performance. Exploring Rust is essential for developers looking to enhance their skills. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more insightful content on programming.